Most people think they can't improve their speaking because they don't have anyone to practice with. But that's not actually the problem. The real problem is not knowing how to practice speaking alone in a structured way. In this video, you're going to learn a simple step-by-step routine to practice speaking English by yourself. And you're not just going to watch this video, you are going to practice speaking with me. By the end, you will have a routine that you can use every day to improve your English speaking fluency and confidence. Let's start with step 1. First, choose a simple question. It's important that the question is simple, otherwise you will just freeze when you try to answer. For example, what do you like doing at the weekends? Now, I want you to answer that question. Don't overthink it, just speak. Pause the video now and answer the question. What do you like doing at the weekends? Great work. Now, listen to an example of me answering that question. At the weekends, I like to get up early to make the most of my day. I usually start by walking the dogs in the park, and then I'll go for breakfast, usually a coffee and a pastry. I like visiting new places, like going into the city, looking at museums, sometimes going shopping. And then in the evenings, I enjoy watching a film, either at the cinema or at home. So there you have it. Simple, clear, and natural. Now, let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is to expand your answer, giving extra detail. Here's an example. At the weekends, I like to get up early to make the most of my day. Also, because I get up early on the weekdays for work, I find it difficult to sleep in late. I usually start by walking my dogs in the park because I think it's a really great way to start the day, getting outside, getting some sunlight and a bit of exercise. I then go for breakfast, usually a coffee and pastry. There are a few really great coffee shops where I live. And eating pastries for breakfast is really my favorite activity at the weekend. During the day, I like to visit places in the city centre. Sometimes I go to museums. I especially like history museums. And I'll occasionally go shopping if there's some things that I need. In the evenings, I like watching films, either at home if I want to be more cozy and comfortable, or at the cinema if there is a new film that's just come out that I really want to see. Okay, do you see that time I kept the same ideas, the same weekend activities, but I added extra details using words like because, and, so, but. You can use these linking words to join your ideas or add extra ideas. This makes your answer longer and more detailed. So now it's your turn. Pause the video, answer the question again, but this time add some extra details where you can. Great work. And don't worry if you're finding it difficult to speak. This is just showing you the routine that you're going to use every day. And I promise the more you practice, the easier it will get. Now moving on to step 3, which is to add an opinion. This is where your answers start to sound more advanced. For example, I really enjoy going to the cinema sometimes because I think it's more impressive to see certain types of films on a big screen. And notice I added my opinion using because. So I said what I thought, and then I gave a reason. Now it's your turn. Choose one sentence from your answer and add an opinion. Great work. If you're enjoying this video and finding this routine interesting, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's continue with the next step. Step 4 is to upgrade your language. Instead of using basic words, you replace them with natural phrases or chunks of language. This can help you to sound more fluent. For example, instead of saying, "My weekends are very busy," you could upgrade this word by saying, "My weekends are usually quite hectic." Hectic is another word for busy, and it upgrades your language to make it sound more interesting. Instead of saying that something is very relaxing, you could say, "It's a great way to unwind," or "It's the perfect way to switch off." These phrases just mean that an activity makes you feel relaxed. Now it's your turn. Think about some of the words that you used in your answer, like busy, relaxing, happy, tired, and think of some more interesting vocabulary you could use. You can even look up those words now so that you're ready to use them in your answer. Pause the video and have a go. Great work! This is a really good way to learn vocabulary. You're taking the words that you know, looking for more interesting words or synonyms, and using them in the same activity. Now on to step 5, which is to repeat that, but with a different question. The reason we repeat the activity is because consistent practice is what builds fluency. So if you have more time, do it again with a new question. For example, your next question might be, do you prefer working from home or in an office? Pause the video now and have a go at answering that question. So at this point, you would then repeat that question by adding extra details. Then you would repeat it again by adding some opinions. Then you would repeat a final time by upgrading your vocabulary. And you can see how this step-by-step routine can just repeat itself for as long as you have to practice English that day. Now, step 6 is a bonus step. This is for when you feel more confident, and that is to record yourself. This is where people really improve quickly, because if you record yourself, you notice your mistakes, your pauses, your pronunciation. You don't need anything complicated, just use your phone. Record yourself answering the question, and then listen back and ask yourself the following. Was I clear? Did I hesitate a lot? Did I make any grammar or pronunciation mistakes? Did I repeat the same basic words? Then try again and improve. You can do this as many times as you want. And you see, during this speaking routine, we did not need anyone else, but we still got some really useful speaking practice. I promise, if you use this routine every single day, even just for 10 minutes, you will see some real progress. If you would like more guided speaking practice like this, check out the videos on my channel. I will also link a playlist in the description below this video so you can see all of my speaking practice videos. And if you want to continue practicing your English right now, then why not check out this video next?